Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this specific SQL tutorial. I'm actually just going to do more on this website because I was taking a break. Okay, so we've got obviously this URL here, which is what we're going to keep note of. But anyways, back to this. So we've got columns here. We've got the ID, right? So I think we should wrap this URL. I think. Okay, yeah, so these are the columns that we get, right? But not in particular, but what we want to do is we can do DBS to list out the databases. And we can see here, these are the types of databases we get. So we got security, PHP, MyAdmin, MySQL, and challenges and information schema and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so we've got these tables, but what I realized, or actually forgot to show, is that if we do tables, and then we do database, right, to get the database name. Actually, I'll just do it here. So we get the database, actually, it's better if I do it over here. So we get the database name, and then we do, let's say, security, right? So that is the database table, right? Sorry, database. And now we've got other tables here. So we've got emails, reference, user agents, and users, right? So if we wanted to get the contents of those tables, we can run this. So if we want to dump what's inside these tables here with emails. So let's do emails as an example. So we basically do tables. Actually, no, we don't need tables in here like this. Batch is just for any prevention, and then we do dash T, and then the table name, so such as emails. And obviously we list out the same thing, which is the database. But we want to dump it, right? So, yeah, we want to dump what's into the tables. Unable to connect to the target proxy, sqlmap is going to retry the request. Okay. Okay, I could do random agent because it's telling me to do that. Okay, it's still doing that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is if we want to dump this in particular, which is the what was it, security fields, we can do batch dump T, and I think what was it again? The table security. Oh no, sorry, table emails database security. I don't know if I had to put it in order, but now I've just put it in order, which makes it easier for me to understand. I guess that does not work. Okay, well, I guess, okay, so if we do, excuse me, if we do tables again, and then we see what's in the security. Okay, is there something wrong with this or something? Oh yeah, there might be something wrong with the connection. Yeah, hang on a minute. I don't know if it's, I'll just restart it, sorry. See, I'm using XAMPP version 3, so if I restart this, it should restart. Maybe I dumped, I was just performing so many requests that it actually just crashed, right? I caused a DOS on the server or something. It's still doing that. That's weird. I shouldn't be getting this problem. Okay, maybe if I just get back to the directory. Or maybe I dumped so many tables. I actually destroyed one of the pages, I don't know. Alright, so if we go down here, this was the lesson, yeah. It seems like this page doesn't work. Actually, I have no idea what I've done to it. Probably destroyed it. Oh my gosh. Anyways, but you get the point. If you were to do this, if you were to do sqlmap, what I did here, we get the tables and we enumerate what's inside the database tables. And then once we get a list of what's inside the database tables, we do dump. and you select the table names, so there was emails, and you make sure that you're targeting the database, which is whatever name it's under. So security, then inside security, there's a database table called emails, and we're using this to dump. So when you do that, it will dump it, and obviously when I do it, it doesn't bring back anything because there's a problem with the page. But anyways, I'll get back to this again, and I'll create another video on it. So give me a second.